Hi, we are from Group 5 and will be presenting on lipidomics. So what is lipidomics? Lipidomics is a newly emerged discipline that studies cellular lipids on a large scale based on analytical chemistry principles and tech tools, particularly mass spectrometry.
Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I'm Syahada Ami. Will continue the presentation on why lipidomic is required. This section will be explained about the importance of the lipidomics. Why study lipid? Lipid is one of the important components in body that play many crucial roles. Firstly, lipid as the membrane bilayer. Membrane bilayer keep toxic substances out of the cell. It is also contain receptors and channels that allow only specific molecules. Besides, it separates the vital but incompatible metabolic processes conducted within the organelles. Secondly, lipid as the energy reservoir. Lipid is the second large energy resources after the carbohydrate. For your information, energy by lipid can reserve about 100,000 kcal for body functions in 30 to 40 days without any food and sufficient water. Thirdly, lipid as the signaling molecules. It can act as the extracellular and intracellular messengers to control the cell fate in normal physiology and disease. Lipid can also contribute their duty to inflammation and cancer, metabolic, cardiovascular, and generative disease when it is deregulated. Lastly, lipid can provide hydrophobic environment for protein function. Hydrophobic environment is very important for the protein folding. It keeps the protein stability. Hence, lipid is directly influence and modulate the membrane protein's function that reversibly interact with the membrane surface. Deregulation and dysfunction of lipid function is a signal of warning and play important role in health and disease. Potentials of lipidomics. Mechanism of disease pathogenesis information. Prediction of future disease risks. Identify patient group responsive to certain therapies. And to monitor response to therapy closely. Less amenability of lipidomics. Thousands of different lipid species. Lipidome complexity. Labor-intensive workflows. Different instruments are required to interrogate lipidome. And limited number of publications.
My name is Nurul Izzati binti Zaid, and I would like to present on the how lipidomic will be used, procedures involved in this research, and equipment used in the research. So how lipidomic will be used? Lipidomic will be used by aiming at the comprehensive analysis of lipids in biological systems, as well as their interactions with other lipids, proteins, and metabolites. Lipidomic will be used by using recent technological advancement in mass spectrometry and chromatography. It is mostly used for studying signal processing, while the latter is very powerful for studying lipid metabolisms, molecular mechanisms, and biomarker. So this is the list of procedures involved in the research. The first one is the sample collection and storage. The second one is the homogenization. The third one is the internal standard addition for calibration. The fourth one is the extraction. The fifth one is on the analysis of lipid, which it can be done with or without separation. The sixth one is the data processing and identification of lipid. And the last one, it will be used in the biomedical applications. So this procedures is basically involved in the biomedical application. So this is the technique and equipment used in the research. The first one is the shotgun lipidomics, which is for high throughput analysis of lipids. And the second one is the ionization technologies, which is to analyze many species of lipids. And then vibrational spectroscopy, which is to study transition between the vibrational levels of molecules that are associated with the chemical bonds in a sample. And the last one is the nuclear magnetic resonance or NMR spectroscopy, which is for the study of the structure of naturally occurring lipids and their derivatives. So this is the list of methods and techniques that have been summarized in the term of how, advantages, and also disadvantages. The first one is the shotgun lipidomics, which it will be used by direct infusions of the sample through a shrink pump, and higher flow rates guarantee a more stable flow. The second one is the ionization technologies, where electron ionization and chemical ionization have been applied to analyze many species of lipid. And then vibrational spectroscopy, which infrared are used as based on the phenomena of absorption, and RS will be used as base of a non-elastic light scattering. And the last one is the nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy, which it will be used in order to study the molecular structure, dynamic, and also reaction state of lipids.
Hi, my name is Sarah Sofia. I will explain about the application of lipidomics in biomedical research. The fields of study where lipidomics may be useful are countless, from biomedicine to environmental, nutritional, and toxicological studies. The technology is useful for metabolic syndrome, neurological disorder, and nutrition. For metabolic syndrome, several health conditions which is becoming increasingly characterized by obesity, hypertension, and hyperglycemia that is associated with an increased chance for metabolically related diseases such as diabetes, atherosclerosis, and stroke. Lipidomics can play a crucial role in mechanistic studies, risk prediction, and therapeutic monitoring for metabolic syndrome-related disease. While for neurological disorder, the brain contains the highest amount of lipids. Naturally, these neurological disorders are associated with lipid signaling, metabolism, trafficking, and homeostasis. Lipidomics can be used for investigate this aspect and to develop biomarkers for early diagnosis of this disorder. Lipidomics has been employed to study brain complications since its development. Examples of diseases are Alzheimer's disease, schizophrenia, major depressive disorder, and bipolar disorder. For Alzheimer's disease, it will alteration in phospholipid increase level of diglyceride. For schizophrenia, lipidomic technique will be fundamental for future studies of plasmologists to explore their roles in pathogenesis of schizophrenia. Lastly is nutrition. Lipidomics can be used for studies the structure, composition, and function of cellular lipids. Assign the function of lipids are signaling molecules, nutrient sensor, and intermediate of metabolic pathway. For dietary intervention, lipidomics can be effectively used in nutrition research to follow up the metabolic response of specific dietary change, their relationship with health and disease. While for health benefit of dietary, lipidomics can evaluate the dietary intake in a more standardized and precise way for monitoring the acute, medium-term, and chronic effect of dietary components.
There are several applications of lipidomics. First is metabolic syndrome, where it is able to contribute to mechanistic studies, risk prediction, and therapeutic monitoring for metabolic syndrome-related disease. The second application is neurological disorder, where the brain contains highest amount of lipids, thus associated with lipid signaling, metabolism, and trafficking and homeostasis. Third is the application in cancer, where lipids are involved in the basic processes of essential for tumor development. The fourth will be eye diseases, where meibomian lipids glands at the eyelids mixed with aqueous tears enables analysis of lipids in vision research and diagnosis. Last but not least, the application in drugs, where it is able to implement drug target discovery, screening, toxicity evaluation, and many more.